I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game.
Cool, he's loaded up there. Quick stop. High vis on before the health and safety lady catches me. Yeah, he says it's evidence, mate. Yeah, it's evidence. Well, set up one by one. Hi, brother, all right?
Right, dude.
Yeah, good, man. Oh, right in the slosh. Look at that.
Standard. You know what this is called? Not your bar, this bar, but the one behind you guys.
No, if you ask Adam, might think.
Triangle stick, triangle.
Morning. Morning, morning. How we doing? All right? Yeah, good, man. I wanted to get you popping up. Yeah, buttons and tools, mate. Stuck my bag. What one? The one up there? Yeah. Oh, that. How's that going to the cocktail? Alright, good morning. Friday morning. Festival's opening in about an hour and a half. Everybody's still grafting. Just putting the bars together now. Finishing the stages. Well, till about 10 o'clock last night. And now up again, trying to get it finished this morning. But it's coming together. Yeah, they're right. Halves,
And let's move them a little bit around then.
Right, we're open. This is the Bridge Bar, my bar. Doing the evening shift, so this is the first rush of people. Noisily is officially open.